It has been a struggle for me to find women's riding gear that's actually comfortable, things that I would wear out in public after I ride. I'm super excited to show you guys the motorcycle leggings that I just got because I didn't even think that these things existed. Like motorcycle leggings that are still protective, I don't understand how that works, but thankfully I was sent some to try out, so I will show you guys. So the brand is Wind & Throttle, and they are an amazing website that has a bunch of female riding gear. They were actually able to send me a pair of riding pants to try out, and I was able to pick out the types of pants that I wanted to try. I decided to land on the motorcycle leggings because I was just really curious and I heard a lot of really good reviews. I decided to get the SKIN leggings, and it's AA protection. It has pad inserts as well that comes with it, and I'm super excited. But before we get into that, Wind & Throttle sent me some goodies in addition to the pants, this bag, and also a shirt from their website, which I think is really cool. So they have merch, just casual wear, in addition to female riding gear. And then of course, the pants. I really like the packaging of this and the fact that it's kind of like a Ziploc bag. I'll get into the details of what it says here. 15 times stronger than steel. Whoa. I like that they have a diagram here to show the abrasion resistance levels. So there's B level, A level, AA, and AAA, and it kind of shows you the drag distance in meters. And so these leggings are AA. And then it just talks about the materials. It's heat and sweat resistance. They're armored unisex base layer pants, high-waisted, extremely durable, and it's got heat conducting fabric, which means it cools you down. Need that for sure because of the hot weather over here. So let's take a look at them. So that's the back. This is the front. They seem pretty comfy and stretchy. So there's two different types of material. There's just like the typical kind of spandex legging material you have here, and then there's like a thicker, not as stretchy or flexible, I don't know what to call this, but it's like a nicer, firmer texture. And then it has the pad inserts here as well for like the sides of the hips, and then also pad inserts on the knees. I will show you guys the armored pads because they're actually pretty cool. I think they're universal pads, so they can be worn inside your jacket if you want, or of course in this case, on the sides of your hips and your knees. And it comes with 4 of these pads. They're really cool and flexible. I actually like these better than the pads that I have in my other pants because I feel like these will blend better in the leggings so they're not too bulky and it looks weird. One thing I really hate about the other pants that I have are the pads in them. They're protective and they're great, but they are massive. And so whenever I get off my bike and I'm walking around, they rub up against each other. And so it's super uncomfortable to just be walking around casually. So I really like these pads. The way that you insert them is pretty simple right here. I already have one that's inserted in here, so that's that. I'm curious to know how they fit. Usually when it comes to riding pants, I have such a hard time finding pants that actually fit me. A lot of the pants, the majority of the time, will be a bit bigger, kind of loose in certain areas, and also just long in the legs, and so they're not the greatest fit. I really hope that these are good. I got an extra small. They also have this part at the bottom to kind of keep them from sliding up, and they have a zipper at the bottom of the legging, which I find is super convenient. I love when riding pants have this little zipper area. Another thing I want to mention is on the inside it has this tie for the waist, so you can make it a little tighter if you need to. Oh my gosh, these things are tight. I mean, what would you expect? They're leggings, but dang. Oh, these leggings are incredible. They are so comfortable. These are technically armored undergarments, so these leggings should be worn underpants, but I guess you can also wear them just as is too if that's what you prefer. But this is great because you can still have the protection underneath but still wear casual pants over it. I'm just going to show you guys the different textures. So on this side, very thick compared to like regular leggings, yet the inside area has more of a fabric like the spandex. It was raining a bit as I was getting over here, so they're a bit wet, and you can definitely feel the rain in these leggings for sure because, well, they're leggings. And you can feel it in my jacket too, even though it's a bit thicker. As I've been riding, the leggings feel extremely comfortable. And then I have the knee pads and the hip pads in right now, and I can't even feel them. I'm gonna set up a tripod. Hopefully it doesn't rain while I'm trying to do this, and then give you guys some shots. So here are my overall thoughts of the leggings. I think they look great. They feel so comfortable. They fit me perfectly. The length is even great. Hopefully I'll never be in a situation where I'll actually have to test how they do on the pavement, but I trust that they will protect me. And it's really reassuring to know that these were made for riding, that they're AA protection, and they have the pad inserts. I will have the leggings linked down below in the description box. Let me know if there's any other riding gear that you'd like me to try out. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the review. I'll see you in the next one.